Hello students. Today our topic of discussion is first order but not of first degree differential equations. The differential equation which contains only first order differential coefficient but power of which is greater than 1, then it is called first order but not of first degree or first order higher degree differential equation. Now what do we mean by that? Exactly, the order is represented by the coefficient, order of the coefficient. Here the coefficient in this type of equation will be dy by dx only. There will be no other higher order differential coefficient in it. Here dy by dx is only differential coefficient and its power will be more than 1. Look at the example, a naught dy by dx whole to the power n plus a1 dy by dx whole to the power n minus 1 plus dot dot an equals to 0. In this equation, if n be integer, positive integer, and the powers are all positive, along with a naught, a1, a2 dot dot an as coefficients which are functions of x only or y only or both x and y or constants, then it represents a polynomial of first order differential equation and its power is more than 1, so not of first degree or higher degree. Now the most interesting thing is that in this chapter dy dx is represented by p, so all the equations will be represented by small p. So above equation, whatever we written over here, a naught dy by dx whole to the power n plus a1 dy by dx whole to the power n minus 1 plus a2 dy by dx whole to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot plus an equals to 0 can be represented by the form a naught p to the power n plus a1 p to the power n minus 1 plus a2 p to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot plus an equals to 0. There are three types of such equation. One solvable for p, number 2 solvable for y, and number 3 solvable for x. In the later slide we are going to discuss about them, and if we can solve these three part of the chapter, it will be over. That is the differential equation, first order differential equation will be over.